So here the angular half width of the central maxima is given by sin theta equal to lambda by a. Okay, so this implies so for a very small values of theta, then sin theta can be approximated as theta. So this gives us theta is approximately equal to lambda by a. So now we substitute all the values. The wavelength is 6328 angstrom units, so we get 10 power minus 10 divided by 0.2 into 10 power minus 3. So this gives us, so this is actually in radians. So this when converted into degrees we get 0.18 degrees. Now the total width of the central maxima, total angular width of the central maxima is basically going to be 2 theta, which is 0.36 degrees. This is the answer.